Perfect Law's DMS product is a powerful way to store and manage your firm's documents. DMS also offers a quick and simple way to assemble and merge documents. If your firm had previously used document assembly in AIM, that is also now available in DMS following the 21.04.16.0 release. To open document assembly, go to the Matter screen and click the button seen here. Alternatively, you can access the feature from the Recent Matter pane by right-clicking. Now that you're in, please notice how the client and matter fields are automatically filled in relation to which matter you got here from. To begin, enter or select the document form type, thus filtering down the merge form list. If you wish to further narrow it down, a search field is available at the bottom of each dropdown. After selecting your merge form, fill in the author field, and if you wish to auto-profile your document, set the auto-profile toggle. Click OK to move on. As part of the process, you'll first be provided a contact screen where you can determine the parties for the corresponding party codes in the form. In our example, we have the option to select a recipient, a carbon copy recipient, and the opposing attorney, the last of whom is Madeline Chung. Once you've set your contacts, click OK to move on. Next, if the template you're using is configured to do so, you're requested to fill in user prompts that ask to provide signatures or other conditional text for the final product. In our example, we must fill in the signatory's full name, Bradley W. Bond. This time, clicking OK finalizes our process, auto-profiling it if you check the box, and opening it in Microsoft Word for you to review or share the final product. If so configured, users can receive a time capture screen to keep track of the time that went into the creation of this document. And since our document was auto-profiled, we can make any last-minute changes and automatically profile them using the DMS add-ins. If you have any questions regarding Perfect Law's DMS for cloud users or browser users, please contact the Perfect Law Help Desk for more information.